Educating kids in custody, school zone assignments. We often get asked the question, what do we do about custody when we live in different school districts? School districts in Johnson, Harnett, and Wake counties are often not very big, particularly in the highly populated areas of Raleigh and Cary and the western Johnston County, around Clayton, Archer's Lodge, or even around Harnett County and Angier, where there are going to be a lot of school districts in a very small period of time because the schools can only hold so many people. And it is fairly common for people to not live in the same school district. Most of the time, if one party has primary custody of the children via a custody order or verbal agreement, the court is going to go with that school assignment in a custody case, at least an initial custody case, unless there is a major league problem with the school and the parents don't like the school. But almost always, the court is going to try to maintain the status quo as it relates to the children's education in the initial custody determination. Things parents should do when they don't live in the same school district that would help. If you are doing a shared custody arrangement, make sure that the parent who does not live in the school district knows what time the school starts, what time it ends, where the school calendar is online for the days off, teacher work days, early release days. Make sure that the other parent knows how the carpool situation works, whether the child rides a bus, who they need to contact at the school to let them know the child is not riding the bus, if they're going to be picked up that day because the child cannot ride the bus to the other parent that lives outside of the school district. All of these things have to be considered. And the biggest thing really is communication. Communication between the parents and communication between both parents and the school is crucial. There's no reason why both parents can't have access to the exact same information from the school as it relates to grades, report cards, parent-teacher conferences, IEP meetings, pickup times, drop-off times. All of that information is readily available on the school website. You can get emails from the school, teachers, whatever. So there's really no reason for both parents to not know all the information about the child's school, even if both parents don't live in the school district. And if you're the parent that doesn't live in the school district and maybe you don't have 50-50 custody, but you're still responsible for getting the child some of the time, and you have a difficult parent on the other side that doesn't want to share information, go to the school, get the information yourself. There's nobody that can stop you from gaining information about your child as long as you have joint legal custody or no custody order at all, which then means you have access to your child's records, and you need to go and learn that information and get it set up with you in the school directly if the other parent, for whatever reason, doesn't want to communicate with you. So living in different school zones is not a huge deal, but it does require the communication of both parents and the schools.